In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off 5G on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to head over to Settings. And once it is done, just stop right here where it says cellular, or maybe on your iPhone it says here mobile data. You need to tap right here to get into it. If you have more than one SIM card installed in your device, as you can see here I got a couple of SIM cards, then first off you need to choose one to head over to the next step. And that's where we can easily find the option voice and data. If you have just one SIM card, then you just need to get into cellular and then you'll find voice and data somewhere here. And then first off we need to get into it to be able to configure it. As you can see here I have 2G, 3G and LTE, which is actually a 4G network connection. However, we do not see here the 5G connection because my carrier still doesn't support it. However, if both of your iPhone and your carrier supports that feature, then you will find it somewhere here, I suppose at the very top of this list. And if it is selected, then just select somewhere else like LTE. Maybe you got here some another options, like in my case, then you may try to use 3G. However, I do not recommend you to use that because it is a really outdated feature. I recommend you to turn off 5G on your iPhone by switching it to the LTE. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.